Hello, one and all. Uh, so today we're going to have the session on Zoom meeting app, which is also used as a teaching tool for online teaching. So especially Zoom app is being used not only for the teaching, it is also used for a video conferencing call, business meet, for friends chat, uh, uh, normal calls, so other things. So especially we're going to concentrate how the Zoom app is used in order to go for a online teaching. So let me see what are the features of your Zoom app, what are the advantages that is been added to make this particular app as a become a very famous nowadays, and let us see how to use the Zoom app, how to install this one, and what are the features it is having. Let us explore step by step. So welcome to everyone. So first let us go with the features of your Zoom meeting app. So before going to the Zoom meeting app, so let us see what is from when the Zoom app has been came into the picture and for what purpose it has been came into the picture. So first and foremost, the Zoom app has been introduced in the year 2011 for the of face-to-face communication. Especially it has been developed by a Chinese for a business purpose. So later on it has taken an initiative in almost all the fields. So especially the Zoom meeting app is an best meeting app even for the online teaching also. So it is having an features. So what are the features? So it is a very easy web technology, web technology oriented app. So especially this particular app can also be installed on your mobile phone and also on the desktops using your website. So and at the same time it becomes a very easy and it is a very user friendly app which helps you to carry out the video conferencing or a online classes. So especially this particular built-in app having the additional feature of screen sharing. So what do you mean by screen sharing? Screen sharing in the sense, suppose in case if you are using your mobile phone, so you can able to share the PPTs, okay, live PPTs, and you can able to make the presentation to your students or participants. So that is an added feature of your Zoom app, and at the same time it provides an HD high definition videos and also audio calls. So apart from this, so your Zoom app is also having an feature of accommodating 100 to 1000 video participants. So that is a major advantage of your Zoom app, which is been compared to the other apps. This is having the more participant accommodation capability. So merely it is been user based permission. So user have the accessibility to control the participants and also the control the various features of your Zoom meeting app. So it is also been helpful for streamlining. So streamlining in the sense we can make the schedules using your Google calendars. You can also make the Outlook of your Zoom app, so which can be shared to your participants later on. So this particular Zoom app is also having the feature of a recording. You can do the recording of your video and it can be saved, and later on it's the same thing can be uploaded for your YouTube also. So we can make your Zoom app to work on both groups and also on one-to-one messaging. The additional feature of this Zoom app is that it can be used for the webinars, chats, okay, video conferencing, and also the normal phone. So these are the additional features. So suppose in case if you have your Zoom meeting app on your mobile phone, okay, so where do you get the app? So we have your websites. Suppose in case if you want to install it on a desktop, you can follow up the links which has been written on the PPT, okay. So using these links you can download your Zoom app, okay, for your Windows 10, Windows 7 or your desktop or onto your laptops. And at the same time, in case if you are using your mobile phones, you can also download the Zoom app using your Play Store or your mobile's respective phone, or it can be some other handsets. Okay, so each handset will be having its own Play Store. So from the Play Store you can able to download your Zoom app. So let us see how to download the Zoom app, and let us explore the features that are available in your Zoom app. So let us see how to install a Zoom using your Play Store. So first and foremost, use your Play Store app, okay, to download the Zoom. So it's getting ready. So just in the search menu you can select Google Meet app for online classes, and you can install Zoom Cloud Meeting app. Okay, so right now I have already installed it. Takes nearly around 50 to 60 MB. You can install. So once it has been installed, you can go for opening up your app. So in the startup you can able to observe join the meeting, sign up and sign in. So you can once if your students are joining your meeting, so just they can use your join a meeting option, so that they can directly put it onto your meeting site. Or in case if you are new user, you have to make a sign up. So in the sign up it will going to ask for your date of birth verification, and later on your mobile phone. So in case if you are using your Gmail, so that is a better option. You can use your Gmail login. Okay, so you can give your Google account. So this will make the things very easy. So almost most of you will be having your Google accounts, so that's Gmail. So you can give your Gmail address and also the password. So let me log in. So Gmail. So Gmail will going to take you to the launching of your app. Okay, so wait, so this is a screen you need to observe. So in this case you can able to observe the different features of your Zoom app. So suppose in case if you are starting the meeting, you can use the option called a new meeting. Okay, so in case if you are joining, suppose if you are a student, okay, so then you can use your join option. And suppose if you want to schedule, the meeting, you can schedule the date and timings. For example, let me take the 16th 2020 September, set the date, timings you can set it to 10 o'clock, right? So usually the main limitation of your Zoom app is that you can conduct a class of only 40 minutes. So that's an limitation. And suppose in case if you want to upgrade, so you need to purchase this app for an unlimited time bound. And so I'll go to set the timings. Okay, so on. And at the same time you can also observe the personal meeting ID. Your personal meeting ID and also the password can be shared to your students, where they can use this particular link, okay, to log into your meeting session. Okay, so you can observe here. I will going to share the link for your students. Okay, so you can share the link by using your Gmail, okay, or you can copy down the same content and you can post it in your WhatsApp also. And another possibility is that you can also share the link on your Google Classroom. Suppose in case if you're using the Google Classroom, you can also share the link. So this is an scheduling of your Zoom meeting. So let me come back to your Zoom app. So after scheduling, okay, so now, so here we have the options of new meeting. So let us explore the option of new meeting. So I'm going to start the meeting. So this is my personal ID and video is on. So I'm going to start meeting. So what is the screen that will be observed? So you'll be connected over the internet. There is a Zoom cloud. You're going to get connected, and once if you get connected to the Zoom cloud, so then you can uh, ask your students to join your classes. So it's getting connected. So one thing is that, so whenever if you're using your Zoom app, make sure that, you are unmuting yourself. So don't mute yourself, okay? So use your unmute, okay? And at the same time video also, so you can able to observe the options here. So in case if you are using these options, okay, so that will be better for your students to understand the conversation by going with your face to face, communication. So in case if you are okay, sharing any ppts, or if you are sharing any pictures, okay, so you can observe the share option. Your share option will going to share the links. So you have your, you can share the content that's present on your Google Drive, photos, documents, okay, web links, screen, everything. You can, better option is that you can go for the screening, yes, sharing your screen. So sharing your screen can also enact your sharing your ppts and other things. For example, if I want to share the screen, okay, so let me share the screen. So your Google will going to ask for the permission, so give the permission. So later on you can able to share the screen. So now let us observe, so meeting, the sharing of your screen has been observed right now. So once if you again come back to your meeting, okay, so the main thing that you need to observe is that, so your video should be shared, your you can click on that one, and your audio should be shared with your students. In case if you are not aware of this one, you can observe the icons, so on your leftmost side. So that will going to enable for you to share your screen, and also to share your audio. You can observe here, okay. So if you don't want to share, you can use that option, okay. So don't use these options while sharing information with your students. And at the same time, you also have the future of participants. So you can observe here, you can able to check the total number of participants coming on to your class. That is nothing but you can able to count the number of students that is coming for your classes. You can take the snapshot of the same thing. And at the same time, you also have the one more option, more. So using the more option, you can also send the information or a messages to all your students. For example, welcome you all. So welcome, so let me take welcome, right? So this is an feature that has been added in your Zoom app. So with this, all this feature, we can make an tremendous experiments, and also we can make a tremendous impact on the students by going with your online teaching, okay. So which also, thank you one and all for participating in this session. So thank you very much.